resolution manga rawi no delimitation till the rectification of the errors on the in the census of 2001. Delimitation che within a period of 3 months from the site date tagi basida ogiba sigi ka mari lenana abisida kanogi koigi CSO mayam aduga from different kanodi party digi masi matang reaction taw kholpa si koi khanaraga masida koi all political parties meeting am tawba darka oy tawraga maduda resolution am pass tawga ai base jointly koi thengnabana chungani haibigi wakhalonda adumain tawna convene tawba meeting ni ada meeting asida different kanasing koi party gi maru oba leaders na magi opinion mayam am express tawai adu based on that, koi tasena kanosi asi is a resolution manga rawi amber resolution the no delimitation till the rectification of the errors on the in the census of 2001. Pasi tawdri bawda delimitation tawdba haina pasi matang da delimitation tawgani haina tormal matang da 2001 gi census ki matang da sumdaba adu kari hagani pasi da otopo yaba yadaba mayam mama nainagren the base of mainly base of the resolution and is to make representation to the central government by all the parties in Manipur to defer the delimitation in Manipur till 2026 when national delimitation will be conducted with the new census figures. I did 2026 that all of nation say delimitation tawne and tawche madudo in the view I will give central government that all political party which I take all man dona to mama element of see I will get resolution next kanote the hujuk laiba Manipur conflict situation chi yengaga adu haiba Masai delimitation si tawu kandi da ano mongi ano factor da base of conflict amai sutol ko yabagi aduna phatu with difficulties mayam lebisna kanato basi delimitation tawu se will not be feasible and my dona resolution magalawi aduga matanga aiba koi all political parties is not pulega kanoto to join as intervener in the ongoing legal proceeding in the Supreme Court. Hana tagiba order si Supreme Court tarakpa case amigi matang tarakpani basdi da ayamba koi kanusi respondency sida interested party of the bigi aidi full presentation to the bigi mongsi koi feel tawe aduna masidi da tasengna lairiba Manipuri all political party ne su intervene to bigi daka oy oiraga what are the actual facts? Masih lakit apa problem yang lebih se masih pun masih kangen apa masih pun masih high matter yang se Supreme Court na batu consider tolong itu mereka kuis intervening any party when join to what I was saying that decision time adu when na masih Canada masih meeting se lakit party to request them to join the next meeting adu asagi kuna matakta lawgiba resolution singdo madusu moida endorse to you have gi adu my request ama tawsi aina adu gi resolution ama su tagi aroibada subcommittee ama ko form torga aiba ko resolution mayam se into action when talk about adu tanba yanabi adu gi subcommittee ama form togi okay subcommittee dudi another must consist of is ai dere ko yumnam joy kumar aduga Ketrimen Santa mana convener organi adagi Tongtumbam Singaji aduga Oinam Navakishore aduga Tingnam Bishunat Amatang da Salam Joy I have seen a service subcommittee to the side resolution may am say was the effective whenever I might not to and might not resolution.